right here where we at. Check it out, guys. Beautiful life of Rohan, you know what I'm saying? What is up, guys? It is your boy Jack92000. We're on our way to the park, my friends, with the fam, you know what I'm saying? Got my boy back there, Braden. Say what's up, man. Right now to the park, and it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna go out there and see the water, see the trees. It's a new filming ground, guys, for what we're gonna be doing right now. I got the smaller camera, so it may not look as good as it always is, but guys, I did want to let you guys know that we're going to go out here and handle some business and hopefully have a good time. So I will see you guys when we get on the way. All right, we made it up here, guys. We're here at the park. What you doing? What are you doing? Get it, buddy. Get it. Go up there. We might need those to...
Yeah, to take a step back.
Yeah.
Set it under the pop so it doesn't blow away.
Look at my delicious drink. Oh yeah. Right, and are you enjoying your delicious food? Brayden, say, is it good? Good? Bryson, is it good? Let's see if I can see it. Move your head, please. Wait, where is it? Yeah, that's an orange cat. Yes, it is. Holy crap. It is, what does that? Yep, he's licking himself right now. And he has no collar on. It doesn't belong to anybody. Picnic, yay. Push it, buddy. How are you pushing the swing? You guys, an OG right here. Triple OG, double OG. From the west side. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. Future wannabe blogger behind me. Bryson, you gonna push the swing? You guys are starting to learn how to follow directions, talk. Especially Braden, he's smart. Super smart. Braden, are you smart? Smart? Here we go on this damn journey down this freaking road. You know, I've never really been down that one. No, not scary at all. Alright guys, so here we are. We made it to the infamous Forest of Rohan is what I call this place. So real quick, I'm going to show you up here. And you got a bootleg vlogger trying to follow me. Yo, so this is a fountain I'm about to show you right here where we at. Check it out, guys. Beautiful light of Rohan, you know what I'm saying? Check over here. Check it out, guys. I would love to give you some underwater footage, but unfortunately I left the vlog camera inside of the car. Alright, here we go. We're on our way out. This is me signing out because, man, it has been exhausting. Got my little guy there. Bryson, come here. Look. Look. But yeah, we're about to leave this thing. It's just a little short vlog, just to say hello and I love you guys. We're on our way out of here, so I'll see you guys on next video. Peace, love. Bryson, come on. And 3 flowers, Grease. Peace.